Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nerds Code. My name is Nemir. In this video, we are going to learn more Linux commands and this is a part 2 to the previous video. If you haven't watched that one, you can watch that by clicking the I button and come back here after you finish that one. By the end of this video, you will be very comfortable with Linux terminal. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. In the previous video, we learned about what is Linux, terminal, shell, and we also learned an echo command. Now we are going to learn more about shells and new commands. Let's try out a new command called cal. Basically, without any option, this command returns the current month of the year with today's date highlighted. Don't worry, we will discuss what is an option and how to use it very soon. Stay tuned. Now we have learned cal command, but there is another command called date, which is closely related to calendar. Let me type date on the shell prompt and press enter. Now we got our current date and time displayed on the terminal. See how beautiful it is. Speaking of beauty, we can customize our shells too. As I said earlier, our shell is an interpreter. By default, Linux comes with bash, born again shell. But there are alternatives like ZSH, fish shells, and which provides improved functionality. The point is, they all use same syntax, so we don't have to learn each of them. All shells are based on bash, hence they all are backward compatible. We can see all installed shells on our machine by typing cat/etc/shells on the terminal. See? Wait. What is cat? Well, that's our next command on the list. Cat stands for concatenate. It reads data from the file and gives their content as output. Let's see one more example of cat command. Here I am going to create a text file on the home with content hello world and saved it. By looking on the shell prompt, you can see my shell is currently on the home directory. So I typed cat test. As you can see, the output is hello world, the content of test. Later we will learn how to change directory by shell commands. Next I am going to show you an amazing command for file creation. Personally, I don't like graphical user interface because by using shell we can do lot more things in a very flexible way. Our command is touch. Let's try that, shall we? Okay, I just typed touch. Touch command requires an input or operand. In the case of touch, we need to provide file name of the file that has to be created. For the demo purpose, I am typing test2 and press enter. Let's check our home directory. Wow, file is created. As you can see, test2. An empty file is created. That's awesome. Guys, I'm tired of going back and forth to the home directory by using mouse. Why should I do that since there is an command for listing contents of present working directory? That is, here is our working directory is home. Before moving forward, we can just clear the messed up terminal by using a clear command. Now we are ready to rock. For listing contents, we are using ls command. If I hit enter, it lists all the files and directories on the current working directory. See here. Of course, we can change our working directory by using cd. It stands for change directory. If I type cd desktop, our shell working directory changes to desktop. If I type ls here, it just shows the content of desktops. Here untitled folder. We have learned lot of commands in this video, date, cal, touch, etc. Now if you want to use any previous command, you can cycle through commands by using arrow keys on the keyboard. See, I'm just using the arrow keys. Also, you can use bash auto completion feature by pressing tab. Let's see that if I want to go to the untitled folder, I just typed cd un and press enter. Bash automatically completes the rest. If I want to go to the previous directory, I can type cd space dot dot and it will just bring me back to the desktop, as you can see there. If I type cd alone, it moves current user's home. See, it just brings me back to the namer's home. That's it for today. If you learned something from this video, please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon and smash the like button, which will motivate me to do a lot more videos. I see you soon with another video. Bye bye.